my name is Tristan Jaden Lee. I'm 13 years old and I'm a contestant from Bina Bangsa School, Malang. The name of my project is M.E.C.H.A, short for Multipurpose Effective Cleaning Household Assistant. This project is essential in our lives, especially during the current pandemic, as it helps clean our houses effectively and it lessens the burden and time spent on cleaning our houses. The M.E.C.H.A has simple instructions. The instructions are: automatic mode, make sure that the M.E.C.H.A is fully charged. Next, place it in the area where you feel cleaning is necessary. It will move forward and avoid the walls or objects in front of it. And if you look closely, the wipers will pick up dirt and dry off wet areas. Number 2, manual mode. Make sure that the M.E.C.H.A is fully charged. Next, place it in the area that you want to clean. Next, control with the Bluetooth controller and use the special features of the M.E.C.H.A. Button 1 of the Bluetooth controller is used to turn on the fan, and side is to turn it off. Button 2 is to turn on the UV light, and up is to turn it off. And for the servo to the dropper, L1 is to bring it up and 2 is to press it. The joystick is used to move the airpod, and button 3 is to change it to automatic. M.E.C.H.A has many functions. In total there are 6. The functions are: wipers at the sides of the M.E.C.H.A. There are 2 green colored wipers that work as a mop and a broom, as it is able to clean both dust, dirt and liquids. Dropper at the top part of the M.E.C.H.A, there's a bottle that is filled with either the mopping liquid or the sanitizing liquid. The bottle will then drop the liquid towards the floor, and the function is to sanitize and make the mopping result optimal. UV light at the left side of the M.E.C.H.A, RGB LEDs present to project UV light, and the function of the UV light is to kill bacteria to ensure that the floor is completely sanitized and bacteria free, so that the safety of the people living in the house is guaranteed. Fan at the back of the M.E.C.H.A. A fan is present so that the mopping liquid or the sanitizing liquid will be completely dry to prevent slippery floors. Manual mode is also available for M.E.C.H.A. The manual mode will be controlled by the Bluetooth controller, and the manual mode can be used to clean areas in which the automatic mode is unable to clean. Ultrasonic sensor at the front of the M.E.C.H.A is available, as the M.E.C.H.A has 2 modes, automatic and manual mode. The ultrasonic sensor will be used for the automatic mode, as it is used to avoid objects in front of it.